North Star Guard Online,
a news and information service of the Minnesota National Guard.
The Minnesota Army National Guard is continuing to strengthen our relationship with the Croatian Armed Forces through the State Partnership Program. Sergeant Sean Einecke has the story from Camp Ripley Shoot House.
Here at the Camp Ripley Shoot House, soldiers from the 2nd Combined Arms Battalion, 136th Infantry, and a platoon of soldiers from the Croatian Army's 3rd Corps participated in a training exercise as a part of the State Partnership Program. During these exercises, the Croatian soldiers are equipped with American gear. Before they begin training inside the shoot house, they are required to go through rigorous battle drills.
As you see behind me, there's I laid out floor plan of the shoot house to my right, exact same floor plan, so they practice the scenarios of the shoot house with this terrain model so we can see everything that goes on and make sure there's no safety violations. This is an exercise to help them learn how loud it's going to be when they're shooting their weapons inside the buildings, and to move with the team and really preach safety and muzzle awareness.
The training here was really, we have a lot of challenge here. We had it is we have learned something new, and we see some other types of training.
During this week-long training event, the Croatians also had a chance to tackle the confidence course. For some of the Croatian soldiers, it was their first time in the United States. For others, it was a chance to train and reunite with old friends. Reporting for the Minnesota National Guard's Joint Force Headquarters from Camp Ripley, Minnesota, I am Sergeant Sean Einecke.
For more information about the Minnesota National Guard State Partnership Program, visit www.minnesotanationalguard.org.